Hey guys, Sweo here, and this is going to be my first episode of My Singing Monsters. As you can see, I've gotten it, and I've been playing for about 2 or 3 weeks, probably. Not exactly sure. But, as some of you who play this game might know, a new monster came out yesterday. His name is the Grumpire. He's for the plant... Oh wait, no... No, he's for the Ice Island. Yeah, that's right. And just this morning, I got my Water Island. I'll show you guys that later. But today, we're going to be interviewing the Grumpire. So let's get started. So, this is my Ice Island. I have one of each of the monsters, except for the Grumpire. When I say I have each of the monsters, I don't count gem guys because they cost actual money, so that doesn't really count. All of the normal monsters. God, I'm sitting on my binder. Why am I doing that? Okay, Tweedle, Potbelly, Toadjammer, Mammoth. Oh, there he is, Grumpire. So as you can see, it's pretty cute, creepy at the same time. He is a shadow type, like darkness shadow, like because he's vampire. People call him the Grumpery or something like that, but it's Grumpire, like a grumpy vampire. At least that's my guess. He takes 5 beds, and it says, another one of the mysterious erythrals. You can never fully tell what kind of mood the Grumpire is in. Thanks to its shifting eyes and mouth, it gurgles forth its song. It might appear sad when it really is happy, or afraid when it's actually having a blast. This makes sense since it embodies the essence of shadow, always a bit obscured and able to unnerve even the most intrepid of monsters. Intrepid? Anyway, so that's the Grumpire. He does 14 per minute. Not too bad. I have monsters that are better than that, but... And then his max is 23,000, which is actually medium, I'd say. There is a way to breed him, and trust me, I have been trying over and over and over again. But, it's the DG. This is AJ, my DG. Hello. And if you breed him with any one of the 3 type element monsters, including the Spongy, the Bogart, the Thumpies, or the Kongol, then you have a chance. I think it's like, I don't know, it's a really small percentage, but a chance of getting the Grumpire. So that's it for today, guys, and thanks for watching, and I will be back for another episode of My Singing Monsters soon.